One of the major things that we do is collect objects and stories, and we collect a lot of photographs as well as papers from whether it's individuals or organizations from across Lethbridge and southwestern Alberta. And what all of this combined together really helps to tell the tale, the stories about our different community members, as well as the different organizations who have lived and thrived in southwestern Alberta. And it really paints a very vibrant picture of who we are as a community.
So my name's Kevin McLean. I'm the Museum Collections Technician here at the Galt Museum and Archives in Lethbridge. So there's this perspective that people have about museums, and that is that we are only interested in things that are quote unquote old, is that there are a lot of things that are part of the landscape now that are part of our lives universally. We'll say even things like cell phones and computers or all kinds of different things. And because people don't think that they have meaning to museums because they're not quote unquote old, then they don't offer them to us. So what we do is something that we call active collecting, where we actively go out and we solicit material culture from people before it gets thrown away. And the other thing that we think that's good about that is that the memory around that event and the meaning that that object has for that person is sharpest not long after or at the point of the event itself. And so where we can intersect with people at that time, we can probably get a much better record for the future than if we wait 40 years. We hope that that sign continues to survive and it's donated to us at that point in time. So something I say quite a bit is it's all the same stuff. So things are mass produced, they're mass distributed, they're mass purchased, they're mass used. The things that are part of our landscape, be it now or 50 years ago or even longer ago, are the same things that you're going to find in other communities across the country or across the continent. So what makes those objects unique and distinctive to us isn't necessarily the thing, but it's the person that's connected to it.
Hello, my name is Andrew Chernovich, and I look after the Galt Archives. The Archives is the place where you can find historical records in various forms. Again, it can be historical documents, it can be photographs or films or maps, things like that. So we collect a variety of materials and we preserve them for the current researchers, for future researchers, and we make them available for people. We are very open. We're the community archives, so we are we serve the community first and foremost, and we are very open and we are ready to help.
And we'll be happy to welcome you to the institution and to engage not only with our exhibitions and our programs, but also with all of the research and things that you can do in the archive.